hope you all are good and happy. So today we are going to begin with the lesson number 10 of your class 5 English, that is Rip Van Winkle 2. In last chapter we read about Rip Van Winkle 1. Now we are going to read about Rip Van Winkle 2. Here the persons are same, means इसका second part है. One chapter उसका first part था, ये second part है. In here Rip Van Winkle किसके बारे में, उसका second part के बारे में वो जानेंगे. In last chapter, he fell asleep by drinking that rig, the soup from that keg. Now let's begin with this chapter. When Rip opened his eyes, he found himself still on the green hillside. जैसे ही रिप ने आईज अपनी ओपन करी, उसके अपने आपको कहाँ पाया, himself still on the green hillside, जो भी green hillside के साइड में पाया. He rubbed his eyes in surprise. उसने अपनी eyes rub करी surprise में. It was bright sunny morning. एक bright sunny morning थी. The birds were hopping and chirping along the bushes, and an eagle was flying high in the sky above his head. एक eagle fly कर रही थी और birds chirp कर रही थी bushes के around. Now, oh, I must have sleep all night, thought Rip. Rip ने सोचा मैं पूरी रात के लिए सो गया था. He looked around for the man who had been playing ninepins, but they were not there. वो अपने आसपास देख रहा था कि उन मैंस को जो ninepins खेल रहे थे, but वहाँ तो कोई था ही नहीं. His dog Wolf had, जो उसका dog था Wolf, had vanished. उसका dog vanish हो गया, तो उसका वो dog भी गायब हो गया. But his gun was still lying beside him. But उसकी gun कहाँ थी, उसके पास में थी. Rip was surprised to see that it was eaten away with rust and always falling to pieces. तो Rip को क्या लग रहा था कि वो था, मतलब Rip was surprised to see that it was eaten away, कि वो खा लिया गया now with rust and always falling to pieces. Rip stood up. Rip एकदम खड़ा हुआ. Lifted his rusty gun. उसने अपनी rusty gun जिसपे जंग लगा हुआ था उसको उठाया. Rip and went to look for the man whom he had seen the night before. और उन लोग के पास चला गया जो उसने उन लोगों को ढूंढता हुआ कि जो उसने last night देखे थे. They had played some mean trick on me. उन्होंने पक्का मेरे ऊपर कोई trick play करी है. Said he in anger, I shall give them what they deserve. अब मुझे उन्हें देना चाहिए कि जो वो deserve करते हैं. For an hour or more Rip hunted among the hills and valley, but he could not find neither the queer little man nor the valley where they had played their game. वो नहीं देख, वो उसने बहुत एक आठ तक उन्हें ढूंढता रहा, बट उसे कुछ नहीं मिला, ना तो कुछ वुमेन मिले nor the valley where they played, और ना वो वैली मिली जहाँ उन्होंने खेला. At last, feeling very tired and stiff, he set for the village. जब वो tired हो गया, stiff हो गया, वो कहाँ जाने लगा, अपने village वापस जाने लगा. I hope that they will half kill me for staying out all night. अब पक्का जेम मुझे आधा मार देगी जो मैं पूरी रात बाहर रहा हूँ. He thought as he trudged along. जैसे वो चलता रहा, सोचता रहा. When Rip reached the village, there was more surprise waiting for him. जैसे ही Rip अपने village पहुंचा, वहाँ भी बहुत सारी surprise wait कर रहे थे उसके लिए. The shops were strange and the houses had changed. जो shops थी थोड़ी strange थी और जो houses थे वो change हो गए थे. Rip did not know the people whom he met in the village street. Rip नहीं जानता था उन लोगों को जिनसे वो कहाँ मिला था, village street में मिला था. And their clothes were of kind which he had never seen before. उसके clothes ऐसे थे जो उसने पहले कभी नहीं देखे थे. When the children saw Rip, who looked like a funny man, जैसे children से Rip को देखा जो कैसा लग रहा था, एक funny man की तरह लग रहा था. They laughed and chased him. उन्होंने उस पे laugh किया और उसको छेड़ने लगे. The dog also barked at him as he walked along. Dogs भी bark करने लगे उसे देख के. To tell the truth, it was no wonder that they did, for Rip's beard had grown very thick and his clothes were tattered and torn. वो क्यों करे? To tell the truth, it was no wonder that they did. For Rip beard, वो किससे कर रहे थे ऐसा, उसके Rip की beard के लिए जो grow गई थी इतनी thick, and his clothes were torn, उसके clothes फट गए थे, tattered and torn. At last Rip tied out the people who stared at him. फिर एकदम से वो चिल्ला के बोला जो people उसे देख रहे थे, I am Rip Van Winkle, मैं ही Rip Van Winkle. Does nobody here know me? क्या मुझे यहाँ कोई नहीं जानता? Just then a young woman came along. एकदम से एक young woman आती है. Did you say some Rip Van Winkle? क्या तुमने Rip Van Winkle बोला? she said, my father was called by that name, कि मेरे father को उस name से बुलाया जाता था. One day when I was a little girl, he went away to hills with his dog. जब मैं बहुत छोटी सी बच्ची थी तो मेरे पुकार चले गए, वो हिल्स पे चले गए अपने डॉग के साथ. Wolf and his gun, his dog come home without him, but my poor father has not been seen since that day. उसका जो wolf था उसका and his gun वो कहाँ आ गई थी? वो आ गई थी his dog came without him. उसका dog जो घर तो आ गया था वो उसके बिना आया था. उस दिन से मेरे फादर नहीं मिले. उस दिन से मैंने अपने फादर को, अपने पुअर फादर को नहीं देखा. How long ago was that, my good woman? asked Rip. Rip ने बोला कि कितने पहले की बात है. Full 20 years ago, she answered कि 20 years ago की बात है ये. 20 years, cried Rip. चिल्ला के बोला 20 years? Then I must have slept for 20 years on that hillside. कि मैं पक्का 20 साल के लिए 20 years के लिए वहाँ सो गया था. Thought it seemed but one night to me. और मुझे तो वो एक नाइट की तरह लगा. I'm your father, Rip Van Winkle. मैं तुम्हारा फादर हूँ, Rip Van Winkle. He cried to the young woman. उन्हें young woman से बोला कि मैं ही तुम्हारा फादर हूँ. Little man who played ninepins must have been fairy man. जो little man वो ninepins खेलते थे पक्का वो fairy man थे. Rip explained afterward, and the drink which I took from the keg must have been a magic one that sent me to sleep for 20 years. वो पक्का एक magical drink थी जो मुझे 20 years की sleep पे ले गई थी. Dame had died while Rip was away. Dame जो थी, जो उसकी वो उसकी wife थी, वो die हो गई थी. और while Rip was away, जब Rip दूर था, Rip Van Winkle's house had fallen down. जो Rip Van Winkle का house था वो गिर गया था. So he went to live with his daughter. तो वो अपनी daughter के साथ रहने चला गया. The rest of his life he spent in peace, telling stories to the village children. We may be sure that there were all true and better stories. वो पता है अब फिर वो उसकी लाइफ कैसे निकली विलेज चिल्ड्रन को स्टोरीज सुनाने में. देवर वो सारी स्टोरीज ट्रू थी और बेटर स्टोरीज थी. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of this lesson. Thank you and have a great day.